Welcome to the future of woodwork. Introducing the Coanda Sandblaster, a cutting-edge, high-tech tool exclusively designed for professionals like you. This revolutionary sandblaster takes woodworking to new heights, transforming ordinary wood into masterpieces with unmatched precision and finesse. Unlike ordinary Chinese sandblasters flooding the market, the Coanda Sandblaster is in a league of its own. Crafted with meticulous engineering and advanced technology, it delivers unparalleled performance, ensuring smooth and flawless results every time. Witness the mesmerizing power of Coanda's patented airflow technology as it effortlessly etches intricate designs on wood surfaces. The precision and control you'll experience are unlike anything you've seen before, making your project stand out with a touch of sophistication. Whether you're an artisan, carpenter, or woodworking enthusiast, this is the ultimate tool to elevate your craft to new heights. So, dive into the description below for more information on how the Coanda Sandblaster can take your woodworking to the next level. Embrace the future of woodwork today. Don't miss out on the grit, glamour, and glory of sandblasting. Hit that subscribe button and become a part of the Coanda Sandblasters family today.